You are welcome back to another interesting class, Easy Pass series. Don't forget to like and share our video online. Today we'll be looking at another topic titled nutrition. It's a common topic that we might have heard about, but we just want to look at some vital aspects of this topic in this first series. So then we'll start with definition of nutrition, basic things we want to know. We also look at the types of nutrition. Then we'll also look at types of feeding in different animals. So if asked what is nutrition? Nutrition is actually defined as the process by which living organisms obtain their food and make use of the food. Obtain the food and also make use of the food. So nutrition is actually not completed. It is not completed when the food is only obtained and not made use of. So nutrition is actually completed when the food is obtained and also made use of. So nutrition itself has so many aspects we are going to cover. We talk about how this food is being obtained. We also look at how this food is being made use of. Now, we have two main types of nutrition. The two types of nutrition are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. The first one, autotrophic nutrition, is a type of nutrition in which the organism involved make or prepare or manufacture its own food by itself. That is autotrophic nutrition. This type of nutrition is common among the plants. It's common among plants. Autotrophic organisms, they are generally organisms that are capable of manufacturing their food by themselves. They have the ability to manufacture their own food by themselves. Now, under autotrophic nutrition, there are some things we should know. Number one, how are these organisms able to manufacture food themselves? They make use of energy, and the type of energy used by this organism is also very important to classify the type of autotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition, we have two main types. We have the phototrophic and we have the chemotrophic. The phototrophic, they are the kind, or they are the phototrophic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which the organism involved make use of light energy to manufacture glucose or its own food. While the second one is chemotrophic or chemosynthesis. So the phototrophic is actually same as photosynthesis, while the chemotrophic is more of chemosynthesis, using light energy, photosynthesis. While the other is chemosynthesis. So just to break the word photo represents lights, while chemo represents chemical. Synthesis is all about manufacturing of food or manufacturing of anything. So photosynthesis and chemosynthesis, they are types of autotrophic mode of nutrition. Chemosynthesis and photosynthesis, they are kind of autotrophic nutrition. And I've said for the photosynthesis, light energy is actually used for manufacturing of the food, while for chemosynthesis, chemical energy is actually used for the manufacturing of the food. for the manufacturing of glucose for the organism. We'll soon come back to that in detail, in full detail, as we move on in the class. Then the second one is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic nutrition. In this case, organisms involved, they feed on already manufactured food. They depend on already manufactured food. This food is already prepared. They only go to feeding on it and making use of the food. So that is for heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So the two types of nutrition are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. These two types of nutrition is a major difference between plants and animals. Plants generally, they have the ability to manufacture their own food by themselves, while animals, they don't have the ability to manufacture their own food by themselves. They depend on already manufactured food. Now, before we move to types of feeding, I will still want to speak a little bit on photo and chemosynthesis. Photo and chemosynthesis.